Hey everybody, it's Teresa. Welcome to my channel. I have my Adornable Elements Beads of the Month Club subscription to open up with you all today. Adornable Elements has 6 different clubs that you can choose from. They have the 2-hole Beads of the Month Club, which is the one that I have this time. They have the Hot and Trendy Beads of the Month Club, the Miyuki 11-0 Seed Beads, the Miyuki 11-0 Delica Beads, the Fire Polish Beads, and the Gemstone Beads of the Month Clubs. And then they also have the Rotating Beads of the Month Club, which is the one that I get. And in that club, they rotate you through each of the 6 clubs 1 month at a time. They also have 2 different sizes in their club. They have the single club and the double club. I get the double club. It's the same as the single club. You just get twice the amount of beads of the double club. They also have their Findings and Crystals companion packs. They're both add-ons that you can get in addition to your club subscription for an additional cost, but there wouldn't be any additional cost to ship because it would be shipped with your club subscription. If you're an international customer, you'd need to contact their customer service about the cost of shipping to your particular country. The crystals in the Crystals companion pack, sometimes they're Swarovski, but I don't think any of mine are this time. If they're not Swarovski, they're extremely high quality Austrian crystals. And the Findings in the Findings companion pack are just beautiful, high quality and unique findings, and they're in a different finish each month, so it's a great way to build up your stash of high quality findings. Looks like mine are bright gold this time. You'll also get a code on the bottom left of your invoice to enter into your web browser to get access to their free patterns page. It's 3 free patterns each month, and it's in PDF form, so you can download it and save it to your computer. Of course, you could print it out if you'd rather do that. I have a coupon code. It's Teresa10, and I'll put it on the screen here and in the description box below, along with a link to their website where you can sign up for the subscription if you're interested. The code will save you 10% off the first month of whichever club or clubs you decide to sign up for. And if you decide to subscribe to the Rotating Beads of the Month Club, which is the one that I get, and you use my code, they'll put you on the same rotation that I'm on, which means you'll get the same collection of beads that I do every month. So I'm going to open my crystals first here. Oh, and I got a little free gift. It's my 3rd bead anniversary. It's been 3 fantastic years since you received your first shipment of beads, and we want to celebrate. As one of our long-standing members of the Beads of the Month Clubs, we want to give you a special thank you present for joining and staying with us, a free Swarovski crystal gift. So I've got a free Swarovski crystal there. That's really neat. And then here's my crystal. Well, it says Swarovski Crystals companion pack, so maybe they're all Swarovskis. And they're just really, really beautiful. So hold on, and I'll sort them all out and get them in some little trays, and I'll be back. Okay, I've got my crystals sorted out now, and this is my little free gift that I got. This little Swarovski crystal. It's got a hole in the center there, or no, in the top. Well, yeah, I guess it's in the center, I guess. I guess that's a pendant. It's really, really pretty. Really cool. And then I have 10 6mm crystal silver night rounds. Really, really pretty. I hope that's in focus. And then next are 2 crystal wave pendants. Got the hole at the top there. These are just really, really pretty. And then last are 20 Siam Shimmer bicones. They're 5 millimeters. They're really pretty. And then next, I'm going to open my Findings companion pack. A little peek at that. So hold on, I'll sort all this out and I'll be back. Okay, I've got my findings sorted out now, and first I have 12 inches of 3.8 millimeter Rolo chain. And it's just really, really pretty chain. And then next I have a 35 millimeter drop bail. So it's a little bail, pinch bail. You can put on a pendant and hang it from your necklace. It's really pretty. And then next I have 10 7 millimeter 4-petal bead caps. That's what those look like. It's really, really pretty. Then next I have a 3-ring magnetic clasp, and I might struggle with getting this open with this big band-aid on my finger. There it goes. There. Yeah, how it opens. A nice strong magnet. Really pretty. And then next is a 6 millimeter ball screw clasp. It's really cool. And then next are 2 pairs of ear wires with a stardust bead. These are really pretty. I like that shape. It's got that little stardust bead on it there. They're really pretty. And they always come with the little silicone backs to go with them. And then next are 8 2-inch 21 gauge ball head pins. It's really nice. And then last in my findings are 10 oval jump rings. They're 4 by 6 millimeters. It's really nice. And that's everything in my findings companion pack. Now I'm going to open my beads. It says Garden Treasures. the 2-hole beads of the mud glow. And those are pretty, really pretty colors. So hold on, I'll get these opened up and sorted out, and I'll be back. Okay, I've got my beads sorted out now. First I have 14 grams of Pearl Shine Azzurro Baroque cabs. And like I said, I get the double club, so if you get the single club, you'd probably get 7 grams. But these are just a really beautiful color. And they have the holes. The 2 holes right there like that. And they're flat on the bottom. And they have that kind of dimpled top. It's really, really beautiful color. And then next are 30 pieces of jet purple bronze candy oval beads. And these, I don't know if I'll be able to, they have the holes. Right there. There's a hole there. And a hole there. And they're flat on the bottom too. And then rounded on the top. Jet purple bronze candy oval beads. And then next are some crystal blue luster nibbit beads. There are 14 grams of these. And the nibbit beads are kind of a triangle shape. And the other hole is down there. That's what shape the nibbit beads are. It's a really pretty color. And then next are some pastel coral Cheops Parpuca beads. There are 13 grams of these. These are a triangle shape. And they have the holes. Like that in the bottom. And then they go through the top like that. That's just a really, really pretty color. And then next are some vegan on crystal Rula beads. There are 14 grams of these. And these are kind of a bar shape. They have the hole, one hole there, and then the other hole and under that. I know it's hard to see, but kind of a bar shaped. It's really pretty. Vegan on crystal. And then next are 60 pieces chiseled bronze honeycomb jewel beads. And this is a honeycomb shape. And the holes are right there. They're flat on the bottom. It's a really pretty color. And then next are 20 grams of crystal orange luster super duo beads. I don't know if I can ever show these. Well, they're so shiny and pale, kind of a pale yellow. Really, really pretty. Super Duo beads. And then last are 13 grams of Rosaline White Luster Mini Gem Duo beads. These are really light color too. I don't know how easy it'll be to show these, especially if I drop them. But they're a diamond shape. And the holes go through the side. There. And then there's another hole down at the bottom there. These are really pretty. And that's all my beads. So hold on, I'll get everything together in one picture and I'll be back. Okay, there's everything that came in my Adornable Elements Beads of the Month Club this month and my Findings Crystals Companion Packs. Just really, really beautiful beads and findings. And like I said, if you're not subscribed to any of the clubs and you decide you want to be, that coupon code will save you 10% off the first month of whichever club or clubs you decide to sign up for. And if you sign up for the Rotating Beads of the Month Club, which is the one that I get, and you use my code, they'll put you on the same rotation that I'm on, which means you'll get the same collection of beads that I do every month. I hope you all have enjoyed this video. As always, thank you so much for joining me today. I really appreciate those of you who have subscribed to my channel and watched my videos and liked and commented on my videos. I have a website where I sell my jewelry and some grab bags of extra beads that I have. It's Teresa's Handmade Jewelry, and I'll put a link to it in the description box below in case you're interested. If you haven't, I'd really love it if you'd subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're notified when I upload a new video. So until next time, I hope y'all have a great day. Take care.